our automatic meat slicer. First off, the overall dimensions. From left to right, we have a length of 16 inches, a depth 43.5 inches. 43.5 inches applies without the conveyor. With the conveyor, we have 55 inches in length. And the overall height, we have 47.5 inches tall. Coming to the side will be the power button, the screen indicator, along with tabs to operate this meat slicer. Different tabs in operation to run this machine. So as to recap, this is where the slab of meat can be placed. This block will push the meat forward. By using this wheel, you can tighten or loosen to hold down that meat. And that meat will be dispensed to this side. Coming to the side of the meat slicer, at the very bottom, will be the components and breaker to run and operate this machine. This machine will require periodic lubrication maintenance, so this tin can for oil will also be provided. This machine will run on a 110-120 voltage. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website coolerdepotUSA.com for more information on this product.